This sago pudding is creamy, refreshing dessert that's just perfect for summer. The cool and silky pudding melts in your mouth, making it a delightful treat on summer days. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make sago pudding recipe, which is very easy to make and very delicious. It's a wonderful dessert for any occasion. So let's make the recipe. First of all, in a pan, combine 3 tablespoons of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water. Keep in low flame until caramelized. Be careful not to burn it. Once caramelized, pour it in a mold, evenly coating the bottom. Set aside to cool down completely. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now in a bowl, add 2 eggs and 1/4 cup of sugar. Now using a whisk, mix everything very well. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Adjust the sugar more or less as you like in the pudding. Now I am adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well to ensure the vanilla is evenly mixed in the egg and sugar mixture. The vanilla enhances the overall aroma and taste of the pudding, making it more flavorful. Now slowly pour 1½ cup of milk into the mixture. Whisk for 1 to 2 minutes to ensure the eggs and milk are fully combined. Once the egg-milk mixture is smooth, gently add 1/4 cup of boiled tapioca pearls. Now mix very well, making sure it is evenly distributed. Now pour the prepared pudding mixture into the mold. Now in a pan, take some water and place the mold. Now cover the mold and cover the pan. Keep in low-medium flame for 40 to 45 minutes. Once cooled, keep in fridge for 2 hours. Now demold the pudding and serve. Sago pudding is perfect to make when you are looking for a refreshing and comforting dessert, especially during summer days. Its cool, creamy texture makes it the ideal dessert to enjoy when you need something light and refreshing on summer days. This pudding is easy to make dessert, so anytime you are craving something sweet, you can make this pudding. Friends, there are more delicious and easy recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. So friends, if you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with more delicious recipes.